Good morning, boys and girls. This is the math lesson for February the 1st. So welcome to February. Kiwan had been asking me when we were going to start geometry, and today is the day. We are looking at area models. All right, today we are going to be using this great manipulative right here. It's called a GeoBoard. And if I get it a little closer and show you this way, there are pegs on the GeoBoard, which we would attach rubber bands to. But since you're not here and you don't have one out of my closet, we're going to do it virtually. All right. When you stretch these rubber bands over the pegs, you'll create shapes. This is the paper that you're going to get in your packet. You are going to draw with crayon or colored pencil or pencil where the rubber bands would go connecting these pegs. So you're going to actually draw on it. You're going to connect this peg to this peg to this peg to this peg to make a triangle, or you would make one square. All right. Now, the other option I have is for you to take a picture virtually. All right. Let me share my screen. Okay. All right. This is a virtual manipulative. Here I have 8 colors of rubber bands, and I'm going to show you how to use them. All right. To use these rubber bands, you're going to grab one from the bottom and you're going to hook it around a peg. Now, to stretch this rubber band, I am going to connect from this peg to this peg. I'm going to grab the rubber band in the center and I'm going to stretch it to another peg. Right. This is the first shape you're going to create. I'm going to take a picture of this, and then we're going to look at it. How many units is inside this square? Okay. If I'm looking at the pegboard, this square is 1 unit. Okay. I'm going to grab a purple one and I'm going to put it right here. And I'm going to grab this peg and pull it over here. Now, as I look at this, I can see that this is half of that square. So this is half of a unit. But the other thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make this a bigger triangle. I'm going to bring this over here and connect it over here. Now, I want you to think, how many units is inside of this triangle now? I'll give you a second. Okay. So if I take this green, okay, if I take a blue rubber band now and I pull it from here to here, I can see that this is half of a square and this is half of a square. Therefore, I have 1 square, and 1 square is equal to 1 unit. Okay, now what I want you to do with your grid paper or with your virtual manipulative is to create something that is 2 units. And you can take a picture of it. You can draw it and send it to me. On the grid paper that you have plenty of room to do the entire assignment. All right. You're going to create something that is 2 units large. Okay. 2 rectangles that are 2 units large. Then you are going to see how many objects you can make that are 4 units large. Okay. How many units that you can create that are 4 units large, not how many will fill this up. How many different items you can create that are 4 units large. That is the assignment today. So you may either use the grid paper, you may use paper from home, you may draw out the dots. We used to play a little game with these dots when I was little. All right, so you're going to create a square that is 1 unit and a triangle that is 1 unit. You are going to create 2 rectangles that are 2 units large and 1 triangle that is 2 units large. Then you are going to see how many 4-unit shapes you can create. Okay, all this will fit on this paper. All of this will fit on this paper. If you need 2 sheets, grab 2 sheets. Okay, but this is the lesson for Monday. Hope you have a great day, and I hope you enjoy making shapes. And you can pick up that virtual manipulative anytime and play. All right, have a great day, and I hope to see you soon.